repairing a husky level. Yes, in this video we are going to actually repair a level. It's one of those really cool 5-foot levels that expand into 10-foot, and a 10-foot level has a lot of uses. Okay, so when I opened it up, there was a piece of cast white metal that had broken. So what I'm going to do is fix it with the 3D printer. Just reproduce another part that's the same. Stay tuned. Oh, before we get started, please like and subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out. Okay, on today's tool repair, I bought this level. When you expand it, the numbers are opposite. So when it was manufactured, they printed this one on here and this one on here. I can't change it over because of the way the material is shaped. I'd have to drill these out and then also cut out this notch in here for it to fit. So I decided I was going to take it apart and see if I could switch it around. So then, when I open it up, all these little pieces fall out. I saved them all, which is a good thing, because now I need to make a replacement part for these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to 3D print. It's time to 3D print. Okay, so basically this is the part. I put it all back together. I measured it up with a digital vernier, and now I'm going to recreate this part in SolidWorks. You don't have to actually use SolidWorks. There's many different programs that you can use. So basically I just created a rectangle, created a boss, cut a hole into the boss. On the other side, did a little countersink. There you go. And put some chamfers on. And obviously, got to put my name on there, just for fun. Today we're going to be using FlashForge Creative Pro software. Basically, you load the STL file in, you set the type of print that you want, the color, and then set it to print. I don't mess around with too many of the parameters. You can go through and change all of the parameters that are in there. I will be printing it in PLA because that's the material that I have. And that's basically it. Okay, so this piece here screws into here. This track, this guy here with a washer on the front, goes into here, and this screw here screws into the outside of this knob. Drop that guy into there. Okay, so now I'm going to screw this one. That guy straight into there. Now, when this guy screws in, it's in a track. So when this guy screws in, it actually, I don't know if you can see it, it actually pushes this piece out. Okay, now to get this piece in, the gray piece will not fit in underneath this track unless I pull this out and then re-rivet this. So I'm going to drill these two rivets out. I believe they're 1/8 rivets. I'll put some nice aluminum ones back in. So now I'm going to drill this guy out and slide this black cap off and then do the assembly and put the black cap back in. what you want to do is you want to pick the right diameter to go in. Obviously that one's the right size, but if you have larger rivets, you can use these guys as well, different sizes. They just unscrew and screw onto here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 rivets into here and we'll be done. Make sure they go all the way down. One compression, we put the second one in. Same thing, put it into the hole, compress, boom. Now this level's repaired, but the bad thing is the lettering still isn't there. So let's check and see. By screwing this in, it locks the level in place. By loosening this off, it allows the level to slide. So my 3D printed part worked great. Well, I'm glad to see that you enjoyed the video. If you want to see other great videos, check out my YouTube channel, Ray's Fix, and the parent channel to this one, Shop and Math. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe. Have a great night.